spill the pole.
Alright, so guys, in today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can be better in Arena. And this video is going to be about, the first video in the series is going to be about, it's going to be about, alright, so like, how you shoot. I don't want to shoot, like, really, like, I want to shoot at the same time. It's going to happen at the same time, but you actually be doing
Hello,
it
guys.
one at a time. Which is actually really good because you can kill people really fast. I'm going to model for my friend today, and he's right here. So like, say someone's running around, you can just shoot them. If they kill you, right? So what you want to do when they start minding yours, you want to take shotguns and you want to kill them.
I'm about to die.
And you want to go like that. So that's what you're supposed to do when people when people are under your base. Now I'm gonna move on to how you kill people. So to get better aim on to kill people, you want to pick a crystal. See this right there. You want to just like practice shooting on that crystal. And you want to make sure that your ammo is at the same time, because if you shoot like this, one and then two, you're not going to be shooting at the same time. So what you want to do is you want to go like this. See, they load at the same time. So you want to practice on that moving, and then you kind of want to practice like going like this, and then just practice shooting, and then combining those together. So like you pick one and then you go reload, and then you go. Like, see, I'm not even the best. And then you can move if you would like to. You move to get better practice. So like you go like this. And try to get, and if you're not moving, try to get farther away, like right about here. So you can get a feel of if someone's far away, like say someone's all the way over there. So what you want to do is you want to just like, and then so that is basically it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. I might be missing a couple things. I'm not the best at Arena, but basically, if you've been watching this far, 2 steps to be a pro is practicing your aim and practicing your shooting. So that's gonna be about it for today's video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, bro.